Alright fam, major market update. I'm actually still on holiday last week or so weeks, but I thought I had to come here and just give you this little rundown because it's very, very important to pay attention. Number one is the market is giving us mixed signals. It seems like we're pumping and we are pumping, but the question is this sustainable? That is what I want to talk about. So in the daily updates, if you don't know who I am, my name is Fefe. I do these daily updates, been in crypto since 2016, navigating the market quite good. You can look back on the track record. But in this, I said that I'm actually targeting this 4 trillion mark up here. The reason is because we got to come back to the daily chart. Unfortunately, we broke below and closed below on the daily chart. That means that I said openly that the bull market is basically over. And saying that, we need to retrace all the way up here to the 4 to 4.17 trillion mark, and then we can reject from there. Now, on the lower time frame, meaning the hourly chart and the 4-hour chart, I have a little problem. And the problem is that we do have a close below here rejecting from this OB. So I said that every single, in this update as well, you can look back, we're going to put it up on the screen as well, you will see it on the top right. But every single, I explained that every single high time frame OB like this is something that you need to short. Like everything, or I'm shorting, also very important for YouTube and for you as well. Nothing is financial advice, I'm just sharing my thoughts. You do your own research, all that stuff. So every pump is here to actually trap you, and all these levels are to short. This is why I shorted here, but then I closed out my shorts in massive profits because I saw that some kind of reversal is going to happen. Then I longed down here. I let you know about all the longs. I said taking the Sol long, taking the Hype long, taking the ETH long. This is the community, link in the description, completely free. You can join in. All of these are doing pretty okay. So up 45% on Sol, up 40% on ETH, up 119% on Hype, and down a little bit on my Bitcoin long, which is like I got trapped in this on the previous dump, so this is not relevant. This is not a scalp trade. So doing quite fine. The question is why I'm actually considering closing them. The reason is multiple reasons. One is that liquidity is going to be very low on the weekend, and I don't think that the manipulation is going to happen to the upside. It can happen, there is liquidity, but I would rather imagine if I was wanting to send it, especially next week FOMC, I would rather do something like this and then send it next week if it was the case. So the reason why I long though is because if you go down onto the hourly chart, it's a clear market structure shift. So we do have a higher high here formed. And then all the way up here, we had a close below, but followed by an immediate higher high, which is a market structure shift. This is what I posted in the community on the 22nd, which was 2 days ago. And I said, this is the reason why I'm going heavy long on all the coins. From there, all the Hype, Sol, and whatever that was. And the reason why this is cool is because we do have a beautiful market structure on the 15-minute, on the hourly. Here's my problem. This is a close below on the 4-hour. So if you look at this thing, this close below here, this is the 4-hour low. Not only did it liquidate here into a higher time frame OB, but also it immediately rejected and closed below here. That's a very strong reversal signal, which means that a continuation down is very probable. So if I go down to the hourly chart and I start marking this higher time frame OB, which will be up here, the last bearish or bullish candle before an impulsive move, this is unfortunately a short. So what I'm going to do, even though I believe that we need to pump here and come all the way up again to the 4 trillion, I can see us going way lower. So you have to take the market as it comes. Again, the next 39 days, I tweeted that every pump is here to liquidate you and trap you. So I am going to close 50% of my positions here when we get into this, when we get about 3.72. I'm going to update you in the community. Join in there, down in the description. This is actually pretty cool. George was accusing me that I got liquidated. So again, I always share. This is my 180 days P&L, considering the fact that people got blown out. I don't think it's that bad. I outperformed Bitcoin 10x. And then this is my 7-day P&L up at 27%. All of the trades I share in the community. So you can join in and enjoy it there. I can update you there as well. So we're coming up here at 3.73. This is going to be a place for me to take probably like 50-60% of these positions, and I'm just going to take it again. Like I'm up 10,000 on Hype, I'm up like 2,000 on ETH, I'm up like 5,000 on Sol. Like it's enough, it's enough. This is what I need to learn in this market, and this is what I believe everybody needs to learn, is that enough should be enough. And then once we have a very strong confirmation on the 4-hour close, then we can reconsider the positions. That would mean that we need a close above the 3.8 trillion. Until then, I'm not even interested in opening and holding positions for a long run. So that said though, you can also play it in a way which I don't want to do because I'm just tired of holding. But if you don't really have time, I would also wait for an hourly break. So this can do something like this. Comes back, comes down here, and then continues pushing. But I'm going to get back in here. I'd rather take profits here, see if we bounce, and with a much better risk reward, just get back in here and ride a wave up, than not sell here and then see the hourly break below, be at break even, and then just get out with any profits. I don't really want to do that. So I do think that we're going to push all the way up here. I would imagine that we have at least a pullback here, even if we close a little bit above and then a pullback. But I would imagine we have a pullback here. That means I can add back or open new positions at a much better place, and then I can ride it all the way up to the 4 trillion. We're going to take it step by step as it comes. This is why I do these daily updates every single day when it makes sense. Otherwise, I just update you in the community. But you have to keep track of these if you want to know what I'm thinking. It's 10 minutes a day. Turn the bell notifications on. Subscribe to the channel so you can follow along, and of course, pin the Telegram group as well. That's what I would recommend. Link in the description to that. So this is what I'm thinking. TLDR, I think we're going to come up here to the 3.75 trillion. I think we're going to reject. We're going to come a little bit lower. Here at about 3.65-ish, we're going to decide if we're going to push forward or we're going to continue down. I might open some short positions. I'm going to update you on that if and when that happens. And ultimately, I am not touching the bots. Now, I'm in a region where I can't open Pionex, unfortunately. So, but I do have the bots running. You can check them out. There's a link in the description to all these. These are running on long term. Again, I think it's an incredible opportunity to do these. You can get a $1,000 sign-up bonus, and you can just simply copy the bots there. Also, I wanted to say something pretty amazing happened, which was I actually posted it here in the community. And I said that I had the Ledger device that they just announced. So Ledger just announced the device, and that device is the Ledger Nano Gen 5. Now, I'm not being paid by Ledger and whatever, but if you've been waiting, so I've been telling Ledger that they need I've been using Ledger since 2017, long before I was working with them, that they need a touchscreen device that has all the elements, but it's at least 50% cheaper than the stacks that I'm using. And they did it. I had this device for weeks now. I've tested it. I have a video dropping on the weekend, but this is one of the coolest devices Ledger made, in my opinion. It's much cheaper than the previous versions. It is touchscreen. It has all the secure element, and it does have clear signing and all the cool stuff that the higher price range products have. So there's a link in the description if you want to get one for yourself. I appreciate if you use our link, but definitely go and check it out, because I genuinely believe this is one of the best devices. Again, I use my stacks. I like my stacks much better, but again, the stacks is like 120% more expensive than this. It's plastic, it's a little bit lower resolution, but it's absolutely amazing. So wait for the tutorial, but also there is a link in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Guys, appreciate you. I think the stuff that I'm thinking is clear. I'm going to travel, so I'm going to try to keep you posted. I'm going to keep you posted in the Telegram. Until then, just make sure that you check out the daily update playlist. You can check it here, click, and you can see back yesterday, the day before yesterday, and you can see the track record if you want to subscribe. And if you want to subscribe, click here and do that. Links in the description. Check out the new Ledger product. I think it's absolutely incredible. Check out the bots. I do think this is the best way if you do not want to trade and time the market. Just get in there and ride until 4.17 trillion. And also make sure to join in the community, link in the description to that as well. Guys, truly appreciate you, every single one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.